Hello everyone, welcome to Startup Academy, India's exclusive coaching for ISS. So, in today's lecture, this shall not be a lecture, this shall be an instruction video where you shall get to know what all you need to carry to the examination hall, how you need to go. Obviously, your exam centers have been released through the admit cards. You must be knowing where is your exam center, how to stay, and all the staying facilities you must have managed up till now. So I will be telling you all you can carry to your examination hall, what are the necessary items, and what are the optional things otherwise you want to carry if you want to, or you can carry. So your exam is on 19, 20, and 21. 3 days exam it is, a big examination it is obviously UPSC का है, and also it shall be your big day to have that, to attempt it. Things would be like आपको थोड़ी थकान हो जाएगी, but stay focused every time. Just give yourself a thought that you have practiced throughout the year, so let the outcome reach via putting your efforts in the examination. So coming on to our topic, so okay, there were many questions related to which calculator is allowed, what all can we carry. So it is regarding that particular thing only. What you can actually carry is, okay, first let me just read out the information for you all. This has been the this has been obtained from the second page of your admit card. All of you must be having it. It is printed in both Hindi and English. So it is necessary for you all to download this page as well, so that you get to know what all information is there. So okay, we have Indian Economical Services, so it is for both IES and ISS examination. Those students who are appearing in the examination, these instructions are for them, and it is sort of e-admit card. You need to get both the pages printed. It is the most important thing. Okay, the first one they say is, you need to check your admit card. Up till now you must have checked. If there was or were any discrepancies, you must have contacted the UPSC regarding that particular thing, and that must have been sorted out. Then you need to mention your name, registration ID, and everything in all communication correspondence with UPSC. If there were any discrepancy, then only you must have contacted UPSC, and that is the point remaining to that. Then third one says, bring the printout of e-admit card. That means you need to get the printout of e-admit card along with original photo identity card. E-admit card you need to carry. You need to carry your photo identity card. That means your driving license, it could be your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, or anything of that sort, which you must have applied during the application of UPSC. Then we have, as mentioned in the e-admit card. So whatever is there mentioned in your e-admit card, that you, while applying for e-admit card, you have given your PAN number, you have given your Aadhaar number. So that depends on that particular thing which you must have used while applying for this particular post. Then they are saying that in each session, to secure, there would be 3 days, and there would be sessions divided to that particular thing as well. Therefore, it is advisable for you all that you need to carry admit cards for all the sessions. So make sure that you have all the printouts set up together and kept in a folder, because in each session you need to carry the admit card. Then we have e-admit card must be preserved till declaration. Of course, जब तक result नहीं आ जाता तब तक you need to just keep it safe. You are responsible for safe custody of e-admit card in the event of any other person using admit card on your bonus. When you are appearing, when there's a photo of you in the admit card itself, obviously you only be permitted. So this is of no use, makes no sense. Then we have, candidates should not note that omissions, mistake, discrepancy in encoding, filling the details in OMR sheet. While filling the OMR sheet, you just need to stay calm, because if there would be any discrepancy, no changes shall be made. And of course, you must be knowing that there are negative marking as well, so that also you should keep in mind. Coming on to candidates Candidates are advised to ensure pages remaining blank clearly crossed out before the question come answer booklet. If you have left any page, there is a single page left by you. Therefore, you need to strike off that page and you can write PTO as well. If not writing PTO, just strike it off. Alright. Then the next one says, please note that entry into the examination hall shall be closed before 30 minutes. So if the time is 8:30, you need to reach the examination hall at 8 o'clock. I would advise you to reach it even before 8 so that everything is there, and whenever you will enter, what if something is missing, your photo is missing, your identity card is missing, or something, anything could be. So you can get back, you must be having at least that much of time that you can get the printout, you can just obtain the particular thing or the substitute so that you can enter the examination hall. So such things are also to be kept in mind. So this has to be marked important. Then candidates are advised to enter the examination hall in time to face authentication identity verification. Do not wait for 8 clock. Do not wait for a clock to strike 8:30. You just go before because verification has also to be done. Then candidates should note that they shall not be allowed to appear at any other examination venue except for the mentioned in the e-admit card. The thing, the venue, the place that is mentioned in your e-admit card is your original center. So better stay there or find a place where you can stay so that you can reach your center on time. Read the special instructions for candidates admitted to the examination given in the examination notice. Your candidature to the examination is provisional. Candidates should not be in possession. Okay. The candidate should not possess any mobile phone, no electronic gadgets, no watches, nothing. Watch shall be there, like the clock shall be there in the hall itself, and the invigilators would also guide you regarding the time. So there's no need to carry extra burden with yourself along with the exam pressure, of course. So you are not allowed to carry these particular things. Those who are appearing in the examination must be knowing that we are not allowed to carry any Bluetooth device, any phone, any cameras or anything of that sort. Nothing we need to carry. Also those girls or ladies who actually wear the jewelry or certain sort of ornaments, so they are advisable to remove those particular things. What if there is any discrepancy, so you will find it difficult to keep your essential jewelry during that particular period of time. Therefore it is advisable to stay back, just remove them off for some time, and then you can go to the examination hall. Then we have use of normal or simple wristwatches by the candidates is allowed. They are saying that this particular thing is allowed, but again I would say that why to carry certain sort of extra pressure with you. But if you want to carry, you can carry. Remember, it should not have any special gadgets or any specialization in it. It should be simple watch. Then we have the candidates are not allowed to enter examination premises with any bag, baggage, luggage. If you are carrying items with you in a bag, nobody is there to take care of them. So there shall be no privilege, no provincial for you all to keep a baggage or your luggage or whatever you are carrying. So they will not be providing you any security. You just can leave it over there. If you are having any issues or if you are carrying something um, costly or something very special to you, so I would suggest you just go empty handed, carry your admit card, your identity, along with the photograph of yours and also the print of your uh, uh, identification uh, identification card, and just you are set to go. Only that much will be allowed, because if you will carry certain things, they will like not be providing you a space so that you can keep it and just lock it. So that would be like leaving over there and just going in. So it's better not to carry. Then you have candidates will not be allowed to take them with the Candidates will be allowed to take them the only print e-admit card, pen, pencil, identity proof, water in transparent bottle, copies of self photographs, whichever applicable, and any other item as specified in instructions to the venue. No other item shall be allowed. So, what you all can carry is the admit card. Second is the photograph. Third is your identification proof. And the fourth thing is your pen, water bottle, your calculators. We'll talk about calculators as well. So about that calculator also you can carry. Then there will be penalty for wrong answers by candidate in objective type. Obviously your first paper shall be objective type, so there shall be negative marking regarding that. Answers other than those marked by black ball pen in objective for ISS will not be evaluated. So what you need to take care of is, in your objective paper you need to take your black ball pen, and with the help of that black ball pen only you need to mark your answers in OMR sheet, otherwise they shall not be evaluated. So make sure you are carrying your black ball pen while answering those OMR questions. A candidate whose photograph on admit card is not clear will have to bring photo identity card along with two passport size photographs, one for each session, to be affixed on the undertaking provided to the examination venue for appearing in the examination. So again one thing, carry your photographs, carry your admit card, carry your photo identity proof, the original one are to be carried along with the printout of your or copy of that particular thing. Then you have candidates. Huh. Candidates may please ensure that details such as name, photograph, QR code, e-admit card are correct. So before actually downloading it or before actually getting it printed out, you must have cleared all the discrepancies from the side of UPSC, and any other thing if you are facing, then also you can contact UPSC and get it cleared before your examination. And this is for scribe people. You have another thing. All candidates are advised that they should visit and confirm their examination center at least one day prior to the exam. So at least one day you can just go to the examination hall and then you can carry on the things. Any candidate has changed his her name will have to produce government photo identity card. If you have recently changed your name, like girls after marriage, or because of certain issues as well, so then you need to produce your original identity card along with the proofs and provisionals, etc. So this were the instructions. I hope all the instructions are clear to you. And one more thing, when they talk about, okay, when they talk about the calculators, so they have clearly mentioned in the point number 13, as you can see. So they have clearly mentioned in the point number 13 that okay, use of normal simple wristwatches is allowed. However, use of watches with any special accessory that might be used as communication device, smartwatch, is strictly prohibited, and candidates are not allowed to take such watches into the examination halls. Use of, from here, use of scientific calculators in the descriptive paper is allowed, not your objective type of paper in which you need to fill the OMR sheet with the black pen. That is not allowed. But in the descriptive type of papers only it is allowed, and therefore you can take your scientific calculator. It should be your non-programmable. It could be of any power, it could be of any company, it could be of any power to the power ms or your fx, anything related to that your calculator can be, and it can be of any company, but make sure it is non-programmable and it should be scientific. It should be scientific and non-programmable calculator. and in your descriptive type of paper only you can carry that calculator, not in your objective type of paper. So loaning or interchanging of calculator in examination hall is not allowed. That means you cannot borrow it from someone. You need to take it of your own. Then we have no calculator of any type will be allowed for objective type of paper. Only during in the descriptive type you need to take that calculator with you. So these were the instructions. I hope all the instructions are clear to you. You have understood things well. So certain sort of things you can take, and what all happens in the examination, you must be aware, like while entering, you just need to show your admit card like this to the guards who are checking. Another thing is that you just need to carry your admit card along with your original photo identity validation you need to carry. Then another thing is that you should not carry any gadget. Any sort of gadget is not allowed. Another thing is you can carry scientific calculator along with pen, your identity card, your admit card, and these are the question paper actually. But instead of question paper, what all you can carry? This shall not be allowed. Such sort of kids are not allowed. But yeah, transparent ones are allowed along with the transparent water bottle. Since it is hot, you need to keep yourself hydrated. So certain things are allowed. Then you have, this will be your examination hall along with the clock, so there is no need for certain sort of watches in the examination. Then what else we can have? We can have that if you are having any problem, you can contact the invigilator over there, and then you can sort your problems out. And also if you are facing problem with your table, or you are facing problem with your chair, you are facing problem with the watches, with the sight, with the sun, with the fan, whatever, you can contact the invigilator regarding that, and you can get yourself a new seat or get your seat changed. Then we have how to attempt. You all know how to attempt. You have prepared very well. You all have given mock tests, you have applied so many tests. So you just need to stay calm, you need to focus, and you need to believe in yourself, and you need to believe on us that we are there with you. Just stay calm and attempt your questions, your answers very wisely, very choosingly, and get yourself a great job of ISS. So thank you and keep watching.
Startup Academy.